In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a specialized profile on Upwork. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set one up and publish it so clients can find you for the exact services you offer. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website. Make sure you're logged in to your freelancer account. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or avatar to open the menu and choose Account Settings. Inside Settings, look for Profile Settings. This is where you manage all parts of your public profile. Scroll to the section called Specialized Profiles. Click Add Specialized Profile to launch the setup wizard. You'll be asked to choose a specialty to begin. Pick the category that best represents the services you want to highlight. For this walkthrough, we'll choose SEO. Click SEO, then select Continue. Next, you'll select your skills and expertise related to that specialty. Choose the skills that truly match the services you deliver and want to be discovered for. Keep your choices focused and relevant. That helps your profile appear in the right searches. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Now enter your specialized title. Make it clear and specific so clients immediately understand your focus. Aim for something concise that highlights your niche and key strengths. Click Save and Continue. You'll move on to your profile overview for this specialty. This is a short summary tailored to the category you selected. Explain who you help, the problems you solve, the services you provide, and any measurable outcomes you consistently deliver. Include tools or methodologies you actually use. Keep it client-focused and easy to scan. When it sounds right, click Save and Continue. You'll then be prompted to select relevant items for your portfolio that match this specialty. Choose examples that directly support the services you're offering here. If you don't have portfolio pieces ready, that's okay. This part is optional and you can add items later as you gather more work samples. Click Save and Continue once you've made your selections or decided to skip. Finally, review your specialized profile. Double-check your specialty, skills, title, and overview to ensure everything is accurate and aligned with the clients you want to attract. When you're satisfied, click Publish. That's it. Your specialized profile is live. You can create more than one for different services, and you can edit or refine them anytime. Use this to present the most relevant version of your expertise to clients searching in each category, and you'll improve your chances of getting discovered for the work you want most.